The average northerner does not like to operate beyond his natural habitat. Same applies to the westerner. This moment, there is no part of the world you go to that you don't find Igbos. There's none. And by the way, wherever you find them, they're very progressive, extremely. As a matter of fact, only a few days ago, it was announced on the CNN that of all the black immigrants to America, the most successful are the Igbos. The Igbo man.
CNN did not say that though. CNN was talking about Nigeria, not Igbo. Where do we even begin? There's a lot to unpack, but because that's not today's topic, let me just say this. One of the things you notice is the consistency in the attitude of folks from the East. Old, young, educated, illiterate, everybody is essentially thinking the same way. If you find, and are there people who don't think like this who are Igbos? Yes. Are they the rule? No. They are the exception. But they exist. They exist, but they're usually quiet. Some of them speak up, but they're not that many. But for the most part, they thrive on bloated egos.
The average northerner does not like to operate beyond his natural habitat. Same applies to the westerner.
The Igbos who is operating outside his habitat is doing so because his space is the most densely populated area in the country. The Southeast is the most densely populated. If you've been there, you would know exactly what I'm saying. There's land hunger. There's little land for the people. There's issue of arable land. So you have land hunger, the land no plenty like that. Then you have issue of arable land. In other words, the land way day, not be everything if you plant on top. So you have erosion, all those ecological issues. Then of the arable land, you now have fertility issues. So some lands are fertile, some what is shaking. So that land cannot even give you as much as you want. Therefore, you have to move. In other words, you're literally moving out for survival. So when you say things like the northerner does not move beyond this boundary, the westerner does not move beyond this boundary, we are the ones who go around dominating. You go around because something is chasing you away from home.